Well, good morning, everyone. It's a little after 7 a.m. here in Fairhaven, Massachusetts. There's a chill in the air and there's frost on the ground. I'm on my way to meet a small group of riders to bring them to a bird watching event, which I won't be attending. I'm just going to get them there. I have a soccer game with my fifth and sixth grade boys youth recreational soccer team. So priorities, you know. And tomorrow is the Revolution's last regular season game. So you have a chance to set an all-time league record. There's more to come. There always is. From Fairhaven, this is a midnight. I had forgotten how nice it was to ride in the cold like this. Years ago, I used to commute my bike to work 10 miles each way. And I was the one who got to the office all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed every winter morning while everybody was still yawning and gulping coffee trying to wake up. Winter riding is kind of nice once you try it and get acclimated to the weather and dress properly. It's a nice time of year to ride. Well, 5 of us showed up for this 2-mile ride to the bird watching event of the Buzzards Bay Coalition. It's a beautiful morning. The temperature's warmed up to around 32, 33, so it's getting balmy out here. We should be there in 5-10 minutes. All bike path. Nice, easy, early morning bike ride with the Buzzards Bay Coalition. Doesn't get much better than this.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.